Good morning, Garage Door Service Business Owners. I'm Yash Desai from Garage Door Marketing Pros, and in this video, I'll be going over telling you exactly actionable steps to market your garage door service business and eventually get tons of clients. So let's dive in without any further ado. So the very first thing is develop a professional website. Okay, create a user-friendly website that showcases your service, contact information, and testimonials from satisfied clients. We need to talk about the sad state of some websites in our industry. Seriously, some of these websites have been around since the Stone Age, okay? Maybe not that long, but it's been ages since they had a makeover. And guess what? It's causing double trouble. First, a lot of these websites are stuck in the dinosaur era when it comes to mobile responsiveness. They don't know how to look good on these tiny screens we all carry around. Considering more than half of the browsing happens on phones these days, and yep, it's skyrocketing. These outdated websites are killing lead generation for our beloved garage door services. And the very second issue is all about trust. See, when people are searching for a trustworthy service, they don't want to see a website that screams, "Hey, we peaked in the 90s, right?" Trust me, a clunky, outdated website is not the way to win hearts or not the way to win hearts or garage door repair jobs. But fear not, you don't have to break the bank to update your website. We at Garage Door Marketing Pros do that. Just book a call with us using the link given below, and we'll see if we are a good fit to work. Okay, let me also show you an example of a well-built website. So, if you check this website is pretty good, and in terms of UI, in terms of SEO, everything is top notch. And if you check this, whenever a customer or a client will land on this website, they will be attracted towards how this website is built, and they will get an exact idea about how their service could be. Whereas if you check this website up here, this really doesn't look like a modern website that people would like to engage with. Whereas if you check this one that I just showed, this has a call to action up there, another one here, schedule now here. Although I will make sure that I just have one of the call to action instead of 3 or 4, because eventually it's definitely gonna make the customer or client skeptical about which one should he or she do. Okay, so if you check here, there's a video up here, then there's more pictures here and more about what services are they offering and everything like that. Okay, so this is a pretty good website, and websites that like these attract eyeballs. Okay, and these definitely help you get more customers. So the very next thing is dominate on Google. See, implement SEO techniques to improve your website's ranking in search results. And when I say search results, I primarily mean Google and Bing, because most of the customer base of search engines are acquired by these two giants. Now focus on local SEO to be specific to target customers in your area. Follow the steps to optimize your website. See, even if you're a complete novice, you would be able to get what I'm trying to say. First thing is to know what your customers are searching for. This is called keyword research in SEO. Then you have to create a page for each service you offer. First thing, keyword research for garage door business is primarily focused on searching and knowing what exactly your customers are looking for. Primarily, they will search by two means. First, garage door repair in XYZ city or near me, and then second, garage door installation near me or XYZ city. And there are some more small keywords like this, but these are two primarily searched keywords. Okay, then once you know what are the keywords that your customers are looking for, then you have to create a page for each service you offer. Create a separate page for garage door repair and separate for installation service. Okay, then get better content than your competitors make sure you're using your keywords in your URL H1 and H2. Let me quickly sum it up what I mean by these. Okay, so if you look here, this is URL. Okay, this is the address where, this is the address of your website. You cannot change it, or you cannot leverage it if you have just one location. And most possibly you will have your page on your home page only. So you cannot do much with the URL if you are serving just one location. But you can use and do keyword and add keywords in your content H1, H2. H1 is basically heading 1, or we call the primary heading in a page. Okay, for this page, this would be the primary page, or the H1. Okay, or the primary heading. And they have St. Louis, or the location, up here. Then they also have garage door experts up here, which is their primary keyword. Okay, then they would also have, you see, this is their H2 or heading 2, and they have their primary keywords in it also. Then they also have keywords in their content. So it's pretty well executed, and that's the reason they are ranking on the top of Google. Okay, this will help Google know on which topic the page is on. Now, once you're done with optimizing the page, you need to have backlinks to those pages. Don't buy these $5 obnoxious backlinks from Fiverr. They're gonna hurt your site.
No, that's a lot of damage.
So try getting links from Chamber of Commerce or your local news websites. Those are gonna help you a lot. Okay, combining all these efforts, you will be pretty good level. And if you don't really want to do all this stuff on your own, you can hire a garage door marketing agency like us. Okay, and we have a great track record of ranking and helping garage door businesses go from where they are at current level to where they really want to be. Okay, so the very next thing is register on online directories and listings. You don't have to list your business on every single directories. Just go on Google and search your keywords like garage door repair St. Louis, and check which of these listings are ranking, and then go and register on them. For instance, here Yelp is ranking, then Angel's listing is ranking, so you need to go on Yelp and Angel listing, and then you have to list your own business up there. In most of the cases, as I said, it's gonna be Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Angel's List. Okay, and also make sure that your contact details, service offerings, customer reviews are accurate and up to date, because once you're also ranking on these directories, you're gonna get customers from there. The very next thing is pay per click advertising. Okay, or we say PPC advertising. Okay, so consider running targeted PPC campaigns on platforms like Google Ads, your Google Maps, and social media platforms. This allows you to display ads to users searching for garage door services or those who fit your target demographics. It's not a cheap option, but a worthy one if you have the budget. I suggest all of my clients to do this alongside SEO, so they don't leave the power of SEO and get the benefits of PPC as well. Okay, but if you are on a limited budget, I would suggest to firstly focus on SEO. Then you can focus on Google Ads, and for retargeting and then retargeting your visitors, you can focus on social media ads like Facebook ads. And in case you are having really good budget, you can also focus on in Instagram ads, but I really don't suggest that. Facebook ads would primarily do all the work that you need. Okay, so the very next thing is vehicle branding. Okay, adorn your work vehicles with professional and eye-catching branding, including your business name, logo, contact information, and services offered. This turns your vehicles into mobile advertisements that can generate leads wherever you go. Here's an example of how your vehicle could be branded. Okay, you will be seeing a image on the screen, and this is how your vehicle should look if you really want to advertise for absolutely free and using your own vehicle. Okay, the very next thing is online reviews and ratings. Okay, so encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews on platforms such as Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Primarily, I suggest focusing more on Google Maps, that is GMB profile, or you can call it Google Business Profile. You can see it here. This one looks like, this looks like this, if you see. And yeah, positive reviews can definitely enhance your reputation and attract new customers, right? You can add a review QR code directly into your business card that you can handle to your customers. This will amp up your review generation drastically, and this will be a great help to your reputation management campaign. So yeah, if you see, this is also a primarily thing while Google considers while ranking your Google Business Profile on Google Maps eventually. Okay, so this is also gonna bring you more customers, and eventually also gonna help you rank your Google Business Profile, and also help you a bit in ranking your website. So yeah, this this was all about garage door marketing. And in case you're not interested in doing all of this stuff on your own, and you want to hire some specialists and some good garage door marketers or agency, you can book a call with us, and I will give the link of it in the description and comment as well, so you can just book a call with us, and we will see if we are a good fit to work with each other. So yeah, this was all about this video. I hope you liked the video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I will be happy to help you. Till then, bye bye.